Hello everybody, welcome back. In this tutorial we will discuss how to display those comments that we inserted into this table of comments. So I am on the same page. We need to actually display those comments if they are approved by an administrator of the website, so they should be displayed above this comment form over here. So come to the source code of the project. The first thing is to write over here the same PHP block. You can say the same PHP block, like a category get, sorry, a query. We can create a query we can save a query in a local variable like get underscore comments. That will be is equal to something like, we say select all from comments where post underscore id is equal to post comment id. Yes, this comment id. And we are using another logical operator over here, and status is equal to approve. That means if the comment is approved, and also we are using there two parameters. One is like the comment should be is equal to this post id, and also should be status must be approved. So in this scenario we are just identifying that whether this comment is related to which post, whether this is related to this post or not. So the comments on the same post which are posted by the visitors will be displayed with the same post. Now let's come over here and say run comments equal to mysql underscore query, that's equal to get comments, and after that while a new variable, new local variable row underscore comments is equal to mysql underscore fetch array, and that is equal to run comments. And after that there are two curly brackets for the while loop, and we are just actually doing something really special over here. We're creating comment name variable or comment name is equal to row comments, and there we are saying comment underscore name, and control C to copy this line and to paste it again, and comment text, and that will be coming from comment text. Now this is done. The next thing is to simply echo these comments. For example, we will say like h3 style Here we'll use single quotes for the style attribute. Say background black, and we'll say padding left 10 pixel, and color we will say white. That's it. And here we will echo comment underscore name. That's H3 tag. Now the next thing is to just simply in a paragraph tag with style is equal to color background. Color will be something like this one with the table one. Copy from here. Yes, padding. And left will be 5 pixel, and here display the comment text and paragraph close, and here we will close the H2 tag, H3 sorry. So we'll say comment name, that is the name of the person. We'll say I says and I close. This is italic tag for making the text italic. We'll say this person is saying, and this is the comments, and the while loop is running, so it will repeat the comments if there are more than one comments. Just save all, come to your browser, and because we have already 2 comments over here posted on the posted on the post ID number 4, but we need to actually make sure the status, we need to edit this status to from unapproved to approved, because right now we don't have the admin panel, so we can manually do it. Just I have done the one, and the second this one as well, to approve. I approved it from here, just so the text was by default unapproved, so I approve it and I remove the UN from it. Now come here and refresh the page. They're saying that post comment ID on line 19. Select all from comments. Where post ID is equal to post comment ID, sorry, post new ID. This is this one I am talking about. Now it should work. Refresh it again. Okay, you are saying that you see the comments have come over here from the visitors, and that's really great thing. We have displayed the comments. Can add a semicolon over here, and also what I need to do more is to get some kind of a background color. This one, post it inside this. For the paragraph, and also I will remove this thing from here, and I will post it here. about this. No. Save all. Refresh the page. And this is now looking like this. Wally says this comment and Wally says this because I had done these comments myself. However, there is a little bit distance between these two, so I think this distance I'm talking about, but that's okay, that does not matter, there's not a big problem. You can post another comment here. We'll write Khan at gmail.com. Hello, this is one more comment with some respect to this post which is displayed very earlier than the expectations. Post the comment. Okay, it's okay, it does not matter. Now come over here, browse your data, your third comment, the same post. I will approve it. Now just come over here, refresh your page and see the third comment is this one. You can also add the date to this thing, but we have unfortunately did not add the date to this to this comments table. So if we could add, if we added a date field as well, so we could show the date, something like we did with the post. Here you can check out post date, so you can also do that with the comments part as well. We did not here, but you can do easily. Now comments are being displayed, and we had one comment on this post as well, so click it, you will see that comment as well, but you can't see because we have to edit it from here, and to make it approve, now we'll have to just refresh this page and see that comment will also be here. John says hello, this is another testing comment. Just because when it is approved, so it is coming over here. Now what more we can do, just simply come over here, post comment in h2 tag, just write a PHP code like if you want to actually count the comments, just copy this whole, this text, this script tell that point, this get comments, select from comments where post id is equal to that and status is equal to approve, run comments while now we will count the comments. We'll just say count is equal to mysql underscore number underscore rows, and just count this query run comments. Very simple. And now we will echo, and we will say count concatenate. Very simple. We just said, this is just a simple text. This parenthesis we have just we have written it inside two double quotes, and in double quotes here as well, and we have a variable over here which we have also echoed in the single echo statement, and these two dots or full stops means that we are concatenating this with this variable, this string with this variable, and this string with this variable. So that's really simple. Now we can just write a text like comments so far. Control S to save. Now come over here and refresh your page or the another page that you had, this one. You will see comments so far, not undefined, post, raw, new ID. That's what happening. Okay, let's cut it from here and post it here. Or here, I think. Yes. We just break the PHP block and we inserted it over here. Press, go there, press the page, and you see comments so far 3. We have just counted the comments. For this there are 3 comments, and now if we click this one, there will be comments like 1 comment. This is 1 comment, and there is 3 comments. This you can see 3 comments. So we just simply inserted h1 tag, which is HTML tag, and a simple text before the PHP. We said comments so far, and after that we just counted the comments, how many comments this particular post has, how many comments it has. So we have just counted that, and then we have echoed them. So that's very simple. We can do it for on the home page as well. And one thing more, that when it did not work above, so that's mean it was not getting this this variable, the post new ID. So therefore it was creating a problem. So we then cut it from above and then pasted it below that. So now it is getting the ID over here because it is coming from the above script. Okay, so we have done a lot of programming for this commenting system. Now we can just go to very simply we can copy this script and can go to index page where we have the post content. We can simply here, instead of this saying that demi comments, we can add that script here. But we will need to do something we will have to change this whole thing. How? Actually we cannot do this easily because we have done something wrong before. What we have wrong, because we have code this whole code from here, so therefore we cannot do now. We will have to remove all these these single quotes and all other things in order to add comments over here. But that's very simple. We actually needed to have this this code in an HTML mode outside the PHP block, so we could easily add that comments count here as well. But for now we need to just remove it from here. And we saved it from here as well, and save all. because now we will have to make many changes, so we don't have that kind of time. Okay, that's removed. Now when you click or anything, see those comments only, or here. Anyhow, I needed to give you an idea about what we are going to create and what we can actually create in PHP. It's very easy and very simple. Not very easy, but if you try you can do. If you don't try you cannot do. So now this is your post and its comments and commenting system is ready. Now the next in the simplest part, or not the simplest part but the hardest part, is to create the admin panel for this project, because we have done all the basic task and all the necessary steps for creating this layout and for adding the data from the database. For example, the post, the categories, the commenting, creating the commenting system and everything. Now the next part is to create the admin panel, administrator panel for this project from scratch, same like we worked on this project from scratch. So we can also create the admin panel from scratch, and after that we will be doing all the tasks from the admin panel. For example, creating new categories, adding new posts or publishing new posts, also updating new posts, editing new posts, deleting posts or deleting categories, or approving or disapproving comments and deleting comments, or anything. We will be doing all that, not from this dirty PHPMyAdmin panel, but from a self-created custom user interface called administrator panel. So till next tutorial, let me go. Thank you.